So, I'm a part of the sales challenge for the Lumo range of products in the Misters of Zimbabwe competition, and I wanted to illustrate and also make a video towards this sales challenge. Sales is about accuracy, yeah? If you sell the right person, they will sell to others around them on a particular concept. Sales is a targeted matter, and it is similar to shooting in a war. If you shoot one person, it can end an entire war. Yes, you could shoot like the masses, so on and so forth, but it's about accuracy. So, this is a sales pitch to you, Lumo, yeah, as to why I should be the representative of Lumo above everyone else. And here is my reasoning. I am already a content creator. I've got almost 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 500,000 views. You can verify this and I can show the statistic so far. In the month of, well, not in the month, I think literally in the past 3 days, should be that I have 3,000, 4,000 views on my Lumo content. Now, the reason why this is favorable to me, like to have a project where I'm also marketing for Lumo, is twofold. Firstly, the number one spot in this sales competition will make me able to endorse other it'll make me able to endorse other products very easily, and I'll be seen as a salesman, right? In which case, which is actually the ultimate goal of the pageant, the ultimate goal of literal, pretty much most of the elements of your life when it comes to business. It's this sales part. So then, honestly speaking, if I've won that sales part, it takes me forward in life. Secondly, I'll have another channel through which to gather attention, meaning I'll be making content for Lumo, right? And also posting, maybe not morning, afternoon, night, the way that I have been since there's been a 3-day frame of time for the competition. But I'll put in a Lumo something every single day. One, it'll make me look good because I have a sponsor. Two, it will help me to gather attention in terms of like another type of content to make. You can't keep making the exact same type of content. I'm interested in slotting it into my general content rotation. And then thirdly, I'll have won the sales challenge. And therefore, it just helps me in life. Who would not want to be seen as a top salesman, even in a competition? The absolute truth and the final truth is, none of these people will outsell me, especially in the long run, because I'm an actual salesperson. My greatest power is not my photography, through which I've won 23 awards. It is not any other element of me. My greatest power in life is sales. So this is a pitch to you. It is extracurricular content. It is extracurricular content, but I'm also trying to show you something. I'm trying to show you that I can see.